Graham Murphy Tech Rentals. Today we're going to have a quick look at this SPECTRA mobile vibration calibrator, the CV10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to a completely separate instrument. This is the Rheon VA12. I'm going to calibrate the transducer from a Rheon VA12. Okay, VA12, okay, I'll take the transducer off. I need to remove the magnetic base here, so we take the magnetic base off. We look at the adapter plate. We've got to pick the appropriate connection adapter. So I'll just now put this in the transducer here. Right, tighten that up. Mounting this, the vibration transducer onto the instrument here, I screw it in. Make sure it's reasonably tight, but you've got to be a little bit careful. You may need to, we've got a spanner in here. I'm going to do this up finger tight. If you tighten it, you've got to be a little bit careful that you don't twist this. Okay, now I'll connect the other end here. Okay, we're going to look at the cal factor we actually need to meet. So I've turned on the VA12 menu, come across to the analog input, enter. Now the transducer, this PV571, the cal factor is 500 times 0.01 millivolts per meter per second squared. So that's the unit we're looking for. So the other thing is the fact that it'll operate correctly between 3 Hertz and 5 kilohertz. So we should be getting around about 500 times 0.01 millivolts per meter per second squared between 3 Hertz and 5 kilohertz. Okay, this particular transducer is an IEPE, so that's the first thing I've got to set. So I hit the menu key, scroll, turn the dial here till it gets signal conditioning, push the button, and bring this down to IEP, and I hit the button again. So it's been set. Okay, next thing we've got to do is make sure we're on millimeters per second squared. We already are, but how to change that is under here. We hit the menu key, menu twice, and this measure and. So I turn the dial till it comes down there, select that, and we're doing acceleration. So I hit the dial again, and I'll set it to peak to peak. Okay, now we'll just run the instrument. So I hit this play button here, and it's starting to make a measurement, and it's vibrating, and there it is. There's our calibration factor, so it's 4.98. So now we can change this frequency. We can up the frequency, and you can see it will stay basically the same, etc. So we would be able to, from this point, we can, set the particular frequencies we're interested in. So I might run it right down very low. Now, to change the digit we're altering, we hit this button and we can step, so we can fine tune the frequency. So if I step here, I want to change this down here, etc. And we can see this value staying around about the same. So from here, if you wanted to, for example, you could sweep the frequency from 3 Hertz to 5 kilohertz and save the readings on a USB memory stick, etc. It's a very useful piece of gear for calibrating transducers. Thank you very much.